Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing WoodSpring Suites Killeen. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This Killeen hotel offers hotel conveniences such as room cleaning, while providing apartment-style accommodations with a stove and full refrigerator. A flat-screen TV with access to cable channels is included in each room at WoodSpring Suites Killeen. There is also a separate seating area with a desk. Guest laundry facilities are provided for convenience. Free parking is also available. WoodSpring Suites Killeen is a 10 minutes drive from Fort Hood, Texas. Thunder Speedway is 5 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.